Hey everyone, so in this video, you are going to learn how you can create an exclusive content marketing strategy. So, this is a playlist, this is a series that I'm going to create for you on content marketing so that you can promote your content. Now, what exactly is content marketing? So, content marketing is producing content, then publishing it on various platforms and then distributing it with various users. So you create some content, then you publish it, you post it, then you want to drive users who can consume that content. So these three steps is known as content marketing. And now one thing is, content marketing can be in a form of multiple you can do content marketing in multiple ways. So for example, blogs, webinars, quizzes, surveys. I'll tell you about it a little later. So, what is the importance of creating a content marketing strategy, guys? Number one importance is you are going to get more traffic to your website, and then this is going to improve your brand reputation. Overall, search engine optimization is also going to get improved. You're gonna get more leads, you're gonna get more conversions, and more sales, more money. So you need to have a content marketing strategy in place. Now, what are the steps to create an exclusive content marketing strategy? First, you have to think your mind that, okay, what is my goal? You have to have a specific goal in your mind. It should be specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and timely. So whatever goal you set, it should be specific, it should be measurable, it should be attainable, it should be relevant, and it should be timely. So let's say, uh, I mean, what kind of goals you can have in your content marketing? You want to build trust and rapport with your audience. You want to attract new prospect to your marketing system. You want more leads. So your goal is to get more new leads. Now, what kind of content you need in order to grab more leads? That we have to think. Or if you want to convert a lead into a buyer, in that case, what type of content you need? And then you want to attract strategic partners. You want to do partnership with other people. You want to deepen your loyalty with existing customers. You want them to be your brand advocates. So these are different type of goals of marketing, and you can create content for each and every goal that you have. So you have to define your audience and have to make content for that audience. So let's say if you have four or five different type of customers, customer avatar. So for example, you might be targeting someone who is senior citizen. You might be targeting someone who goes to gym, or you might want to target someone who is into a college. They are between 17 to 23 year of age. So you have to come up with a separate content for them. So, for example, if your target audience consists of a group of people who want to purchase a flat or a house under 1 crore, under 1 CR, to attract this group, you can write a blog post on top 10 properties to buy under 1 CR in Gurgaon, in Bangalore. So, if you come up with this type of content, if you promote it on social media, or if you create it as a PDF, or if you upload it as a YouTube video, it is going to attract that kind of customer. So you have to think, what is my audience? What Divide your audience into various groups and create content for each group. Then you have to measure your current, like, what you have to measure your current like content building capabilities, and then you have to audit your content. Is my content right? If I'm writing a piece of something, let's say a post or a video, is it right? Is it going to help my ideal customers? Is it going to, so look, everyone on this planet, they buy something because they want to avoid some sort of pain, or they want to gain some pleasure. So if you are helping someone in saving more time by providing them some software, or by providing them some, let's say Uber or Ola, they are helping people in saving time. So they are helping people in avoiding the pain of spending more time. Also, It's better than auto rickshaw, because it is covered. There might be rain, there might be winter, there might be like heat, and you have air conditioned cabs. So those pains are getting avoided. That's why people are shifting to that model. So can you come up with something and present the pains and pleasure in your content? So then you have to figure out, okay, what are the best social media channels to post my content? Should I post it on WhatsApp? Should I post it on Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, YouTube, TikTok? And then once you decide that where exactly my users are they on LinkedIn, are they on Facebook, where exactly they are, then you have to pick the content based upon that platform. So for example, let's say you have your audience is on YouTube, then you can create more and more videos. So what are different type of contents that you can produce? You can write a blog. So guys, let me tell you how you do it. First, you write some notes, some educational content about your product or services. Write in a points like what all challenges it is solving, what are pain it is solving, what are the features, and then educate about that product. Okay, this is how it works. Explain things logically, and uh, then you can take that notes and create a blog out of it. So blog can be the first one. Take that notes and create video out of it. Take that notes, create audio podcast out of it. Social media post, send email to people, create case studies. If you have worked with any client, create case study that is going to act as a content which is going to convert your leads into buyers. Interview the influencers in your niche, that is another form of content. Create webinars, infographics. You can post on like Pinterest, or there are some other platform where you can post infographics as well. Create content in the form of cartoons, quizzes, take surveys, ebooks, post it on Amazon. Lead magnets. So lead magnets can be like there can be various ideas for lead magnets. I'll shoot a separate video about it. So this is going to be a extensive playlist, extensive course that I'll be providing to you on content marketing. And then you have to create a content calendar. Content calendar is, okay, on the first day I'm going to post this content. On the second day I'm going to post this thing on YouTube. On the third day I'm going to post an image on my Instagram and Facebook. So you can create this type of content calendar. So for example, you can also do something like educational Tuesday, where you can educate your audience about your product or service. Then you can create promotional Friday. You can promote, you can give discount on Fridays. You can create like uh, winning case study Sunday. So on Sunday you can post all the success stories uh, of your product or services that you have achieved with your customers. Now you have to promote your content, guys. If you create a content and do not promote it, then it's of no use. You can do that using search engine optimization, SEO, but it takes some time. You can produce YouTube videos, it also takes some time to rank. But if you want instant results, you can run ads like YouTube ads. You can drive traffic from YouTube ads, Facebook ads, Instagram ads, LinkedIn ads, or you can also do cold emailing. You can do LinkedIn outreach. So you have to try these methods. Just see, okay, where exactly my customers are. Am I into B2C space? Am I into B2B space? And then you have to track the results. Make sure you have tracking enabled behind maybe Bitly links, the URL shortener. Or you can also track using, I mean, you have to track using Google Analytics and Facebook Pixel. So this was a introduction about how exactly you can create a content marketing strategy. So in my next video, I'll tell you more about it, and we'll explain and give you examples of how exactly you promote on blogs, on videos, and podcasts. So we will explain the type of content. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, And if you are looking to take your skills to the next level, if you want more clients, if you want to go next level, if you want to learn that how exactly digital marketing agencies they do marketing, so you can enroll into my social media marketing and agency course. I'll drop the link below. So thank you for watching. I'll see you again in the next video, and make sure you subscribe.